What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and happy Friday. Yes, it is Friday, and check it out. I'm like totally rocking my winter beard. Like, I can't decide whether or not I should shave or not, because it actually does kind of keep my face warm. So if you think I should shave or not shave, post them in the comments below. Okay, so here's the deal with today. I'm going to turn the camera around and let you check out exactly what we have going on. So I woke up this morning and either a Coke dealer's house blew up or we've got like freaking 4 to 5 inches of snow. I don't understand it. This is Tennessee. We might get snow once or twice a year, but we have it today. And so, hold on, I'm going to do you my evil grin. Yes, that was my evil grin. So what do you think a guy like me is going to do on a day like this? I'll give you one guess, but I don't even think you're going to need that one. Yeah, it's going down. So basically, it rained all day yesterday. Then the bottom dropped out at the temperature, and it started snowing at like 3 a.m. We lost power from 3 a.m. to like 5:30 or 6, something like that. And so I couldn't go to the gym today, which sucks. And just to get the beater running, just to get the door open, I had to like use this entire can of Walmart like de-icer crap. And it worked. I ended up finally getting in the passenger side door, and I've had the car running for probably 40 minutes and it still looks like that. So I'm gonna let it run a little while longer, but here's what we're gonna do. There's an empty parking lot up the road and we're going to make use of it. But I've got two problems with this. Number one, my driveway is steep. Number two, the subdivision I live in, like when you come up my street, it's also a hill. So the chances of me not making it back and like maybe getting up my own road, but maybe like getting up my driveway are fairly slim, but I don't give a crap. This is how we roll. This is what we're gonna do. So let's rock. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's see if I can't get in the car on this side. Couldn't get in earlier. Oh yeah. Okay. Nice and toasty. Definitely nice and toasty. So like I was saying, the question is, can I get back up this hill? I don't know how these roads are, so I guess we'll see. And the rear window is still not defrosted. Whoa. Whoa. Already sliding. Already sliding. This was probably a really dumb move. You can see what I'm looking at. Yeah, I don't think this is right. My wipers are still frozen, but sometimes you just gotta send it. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I totally can't see anything, and I've got to get these wipers unstuck. Yeah. The stuff I go through to deliver epic content. All right. What a mess. All right. Let's see what happens. Wipers are sort of thawed. Try this one more time. On. Ah, look at there. It's better than nothing, right? Okay, so I'm trying to get up this hill out of the neighborhood. I don't even know if you can see anything, but well, this wheel doesn't spin, but you can tell the other wheel's spinning. Yeah, I'm stuck, and I haven't even like gotten like totally out of my neighborhood. So now it's time to get creative here. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do. Oh, it was lighting. Alright, so we're gonna put it down in low. Let's see. Yeah, we're stuck. My foot is totally off the gas and the tire is spinning. So I'm gonna show you real quick. It's in drive. And the tire is just spinning. As you can see, I'm completely out of the car, not in the car. The tire is just spinning. We may not get to do any donuts after all. Well, guys, this is how the day ends. Took one for the team today. I was gonna get you some donuts, and as you can see, I'm walking back. I had to leave the car at my neighbor's. Not only could I not get out of the neighborhood, but I couldn't get back up to my house. So it's in my neighbor's driveway, and until it thaws just a little bit, that's where it's gonna stay, and obviously where I'm gonna stay. But I definitely took one for the team today, so please shoot me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and pray I don't get frostbite heading back to the house. Everybody have a great weekend. I'll catch up with you Monday. Later.